Let's have a look now at the Tempophone algorithm. And this video is going to be a bit different because I'm going to show you how I am using it, not just what it does. I think it's better to show you just a creative way of using this algorithm. So whenever I work on a project and I have to create like pods or drones, I always prefer making them myself instead of using a preset. Now, Tempophone is actually great for that. It can create really dark, or actually quite the opposite, really heavenly and bright drones. So let's try and make some drones now using the Tempophone algorithm. And let's use the previous example, this one. But let's use this synth here. So let's turn flex time on. Actually, I'm going to mute everything. And I'm going to hide everything. Remember, you press hates, you press that little hates here, and then hates again, and it's gone. So let's choose Tempophone, and let's see what we are working with. So the result depends, first and foremost, from the material that you have, and second, from the effects that you use. So this one is quite bright. So we'll go for something like that. And let's see, we are only going to use one note. Okay, let's use this one that is exactly on bar 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to extend it all the way. Great. Place a bar here, a flex marker, stretch that all the way. Okay, let's actually put another flex marker here and stretch that again. Look at this gorgeous graphics. This is the one thing I don't like in Logic. Okay, this is going to the way I want it. Let's start using some effects. Actually, let's look at these settings here. Because as you can hear, they can drastically change the sound. All the way up, a bit brighter. So let's go. The 49 was great. Okay, let's put some effects on. So the first thing I want to do is to change the pitch. So let's put a pitch shifter on. Let's go for an interval. Let's go for a fifth lower. I'm going to leave some of that one, the original sound, in there as well, so I'm not going 100%. Let's put, I would definitely want a reverb. Yes, not on the bass, I'm going to put it here. Let's go something bigger. Let's do concert hall. Let's take the wet up. Let's put a stereo delay. And I want a bit more movement in there, so let's use something else for that. Let's go to imaging, modulation, and let's use a flanger. Let's take the hertz down a bit. Okay. Now let's bounce that. Let's Control and B. Let's bounce that. Here's the new file. Let's use the Tempophone again on this one. Actually, before we do that, I'm actually going to stretch it. So that's Shift and Option and changes to that. I'm gonna go crazy with that one here. Again, this is all, I have no idea what I'm actually doing. This is experimentation. I know which way I'm going, but I don't know what its thing will result. And just, experimenting and see if it works. Let's use the Tempophone again. Let's grab something. Let's get this note here. Create. Let's use a pitch shifter on that one. All the way down. And a reverb. And let's use this stereo spread on the master. That's better. I think, yeah, let's do a bit more actually. Let's do both of these. Let's bounce down both of them. And then just work on this file now. Let's put an EQ on as well. Something like that, just creating drones out of nothing. Going to put a stereo delay here as well, just to try it. And that's it. I want to create like a heavenly, bright kind of drone or pad. And the Tempophone algorithm is amazing for that. And it's not used as much, as you should use it. As it's great for sound design. And then if you just play around with the effects and everything, you can create amazing results. The only problem is that it's a lot of experimentation and you never know what you're going to get. But there are some happy accidents. For me, if I work a bit more on that one, I have a perfectly usable drone. What I think missing is a bit of low end, so I would definitely create some low end, something a bit, a bassier sound. Just to make it fuller, and then I could probably use it. Okay, the edges are a bit rough, I will probably fade that in. But that's my approach when I use the Tempophone. If you're doing sound design or if you're a composer and you want to create unique effects, definitely give it a go. I'll see you in the next one.